This is Nisa. This video includes 35 MCQs on generations of computer. Test your knowledge. Let's start. Q1. Which of the following was used as the main electronic component in the first generation computers? Vacuum tubes, microprocessor, integrated circuits, transistors. The correct answer is option A. Vacuum tubes. Q2. Which among the following is false with respect to first generation of computers? Generates large amount of heat. More reliable and less prone to hardware failure. Use of vacuum tubes to make circuits and magnetic drum for memory. Batch operating system was mainly used. The correct answer is option B. More reliable and less prone to hardware failure. Q3. Which language was used in the first generation of computer technology? COBOL, Fortran, assembly language, machine language. The correct answer is option D. Machine language. Q4. Which of the following is an example of first generation computer? UNIVAC, IBM 1620, UNIVAC 1108, CDC 3600. The correct answer is option A. Examples of the first generation computers include ENIAC, EDVAC, EDSAC, UNIVAC, IBM 701, and IBM 650. Q5. Which was the first programmable general-purpose electronic digital computer, built during World War II by the U.S.? IBM 702. ENIAC, UNIVAC, Whirlwind. The correct answer is option B. ENIAC. ENIAC was the first programmable general-purpose electronic digital computer, built during World War II by the U.S. Q6. In the field of computing, what does ENIAC stand for? A. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. B. Electronic Numerals Integration and Computing. C. Electronic Numbers Integration and Computer. D. Electronic Numerical Integrated Advanced Computer. The correct answer is option A. The Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer ENIAC, built by J. Presper, Eckert and John V. Mauchly at the University of Pennsylvania. ENIAC was first introduced on the 15th of February 1946. Q7. The first computer made available for commercial use was ENIAC, EDSAC, UNIVAC, EDVAC. The correct answer is option C. UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer, was the first commercial computer produced in 1951, the United States. It was designed principally by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly, the inventors of the ENIAC. Q8. Who among the following created the Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, EDVAC, with a memory to hold both a stored program as well as data? Thomas H. Flowers, Arthur Samuel, Bletchley Park, John von Neumann. The correct answer is option D. The first stored program computer, designed by von Neumann in 1947. It has a memory to hold both a stored program as well as data. Q9. What is the full form of the EDSAC, the first generation computer? Electronic Delay Storage Advanced Computer, Electronic Data Storage Automatic Computer, Electronic Delay Strong Automatic Computer, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Computer. The correct answer is option D. The Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator, EDSAC, built by Maurice Wilkes, developed at Britain's Cambridge University, ran its first programs in 1949. It was first computer which provides storage capacity. Q10. The first computer generation of representative systems is IBM 701, UNIVAC LARC, Honeywell 400, IBM 7030. The correct answer is option A. The first computer generation of representative systems is IBM 701. IBM 701 was IBM's first commercial scientist computer, launched in the year 1952. Nathaniel Rochester designed the IBM 701. Q11. Computers built before the first generation of computers were electrical, electromechanical, mechanical. None of these. The correct answer is option B. The computers that were built before the first generation of computers were electromechanical computers. Q12. When was vacuum tube invented? 1900, 1910, 1880. 1904. The correct answer is option D. Vacuum tube was invented in 1904. Q13. Second generation computers can be characterized largely by their use of microprocessors, vacuum tubes, integrated circuits, transistors. The correct answer is option D, transistors. It was invented at Bell Labs by Walter H. Brattain, John Bardeen, and William B. Shockley in 1947. Q14. Language used in the second generation computers is called as BASIC, Pascal, assembly language, machine language. The correct answer is option C, assembly language. Q15. The second computer generation of representative systems is CGC 1604, CDC 1604, CBC 1604, CDC 2019. The correct answer is option C. CDC 1604 was a 48-bit, second-generation computer. Examples of the second-generation computers include IBM 1620, IBM 7094, CDC 1604, CDC 3600, UNIVAC 1108. Q16. Time sharing became possible in which of the following generation of computer? First, second, third, fourth. The correct answer is option B. Time sharing became possible in second generation computers. Q17. What is the period of the third generation of computers? 1956 to 1963, 1964 to 1971, 1971 to 1980, 1940 to 1956. The correct answer is option B, 1964 to 1971. Computers of first generation, 1940 to 1956. Computers of second generation, 1956 to 1963. Computers of third generation, 1964 to 1971. Computers of fourth generation, 1971 to present. Computers of fifth generation, present and beyond. Q18. Third generation language is machine language, assembly language, high-level language, low-level language. The correct answer is option C, high-level language. Q19. The third generation of computers introduced the use of IC in computers. What does the term IC mean? Inverted chips, integrated computer, inverted circuits, integrated circuits. The correct answer is option D. Integrated circuits are the chips of silicon on which transistors, logical gates, resistors or capacitors are embedded. These building blocks of a circuit can act as microprocessors, amplifiers, memory, etc. Q20. What was the operating speed of third-generation computers? Milliseconds, microseconds, nanoseconds, picoseconds. The correct answer is option C, nanoseconds. First generation, 333 microseconds. Second generation, 10 microseconds. Third generation, 100 nanoseconds. Fourth generation, 300 nanoseconds. Q21. Who developed integrated chips? Charles Babbage, Jack Clare Kilby, Blaise Pascal, John Mauchly. The correct answer is option B. First integrated circuit chip was developed by Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce in 1958. But the concept was introduced by Jeffrey Dummer in 1952. Q22. Integrated circuit chip in computer is made of chromium, iron oxide, silicon, silica. The correct answer is option C. The integrated circuit chip in the computer is made of silicon. Q23. Which of the following languages is an example of fourth generation language? In computer programming, SQL, ALGOL, Pascal, Snowball. The correct answer is option A. Non-procedural languages such as SQL, structured query language, Oracle, PostScript, Informix are considered as fourth generation languages. This type of language allows the user to define what is required, rather than how it is to be done. These are designed to reduce the overall time, effort, and cost of software development. Q24. With respect to integrated circuit, what is the full form of VLSI? Varied large-scale integration. Very large-scale integration. Varied large-scale interrogation. Very large-scale interface. The correct answer is option B. VLSI, very large-scale integration, is the method used to create integrated circuits (ICs) by packing thousands of transistors onto a single chip. One of the most popular technologies for designing microchip processors, integrated circuits (ICs), and components are VLSI. Q25. Which generation of computers use microprocessors as switching devices? First, second, third, fourth. The correct answer is option D, fourth. The fourth generation computers used VLSI, very large scale integrated circuits technology. They were also known as microprocessors. Q26. Currently, which generation of computers are we using? Second, fifth, sixth, third. The correct answer is option B, fifth generation. In the fifth generation, VLSI technology became ULSI, ultra large scale integration technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. Q27. Fifth generation languages are the assembly languages, machine languages, constraint based languages, high level language. The correct answer is option C. Fifth generation language is applied to logic and constraint based languages, like Prolog. Q28. Which of the following is not a feature of fifth generation computers? Advancement in superconductor technology. Introduction of the concept of Internet. Development of natural language processing. Advancement in parallel processing. The correct answer is option B. The introduction of the concept of the Internet was done during second generation of computers. First generation Internet was conceived in the era of time sharing, in 1965. Q29. Which of the computer language is used in artificial intelligence? Java, Pascal, Prolog, Fortran. The correct answer is option C. The computer language used in artificial intelligence is Prolog. Prolog was made in 1972 in France by Alain Colmerauer. It comes under declarative programming language. Q30. Fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence, programming intelligence, system knowledge, VLSI. The correct answer is option A. Artificial intelligence. The fifth generation computers use ULSI, ultra large scale integration based on artificial intelligence. Q31. Where among the following was the first computer installed in India? Bangalore, Kolkata, Tamil Nadu, Mumbai. The correct answer is option B. The first computer installed in Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata in 1956, for a princely sum of 10 lakh rupees. It was called HEC-2M, Hollerith Electronic Digital Computer 2M. It was just a number crunching machine and was huge in size. Q32. The oldest form of commercial computer language is called Pascal, FoxPro, Fortran, COBOL. The correct answer is option C, Fortran. Formula translation was the first computer language developed by IBM in 1957. It is used in engineering and scientific applications. The syntax is very rigid in Fortran. Q33. When was the world's first laptop computer introduced in the market and by whom? Tandy Model 200, 1985. Epson, 1981. Laplink Traveling Software Inc., 1982. Hewlett-Packard, 1980. The correct answer is option B. In 1981, the world's first laptop computer was introduced in the market by Epson. Q34. Which company manufactured the first microprocessor 4004? Intel Corporation, Ennesian Private Company, NVIDIA Corporation, Plex Devices. The correct answer is option A. The Intel 4004 is a 4-bit central processing unit (CPU) released by Intel Corporation in 1971. Q35. The first computer company, the Electronic Controls Company founded by Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in which of the following year? 1949, 1959, 1969, 1979. The correct answer is option A. The first computer company was the Electronic Controls Company and was founded in 1949 by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly, the same individuals who helped create the ENIAC computer. The company was later renamed to EMCC or Eckert-Mauchly Computer Corporation and released a series of mainframe computers under the UNIVAC name. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Learn with NISA.